better? Change curious to see if this configuration will work better. Streams. Okay, this chat is unreadable. Let's do something else. Probably readable, but fix that. Can you change multi-effect to something dark and moody? Hey digital dummy. Yeah, it's live. Hey Andrew. Hello Vadim, good evening. Bonus tardes. I know bonus dias, bonus tardes, that's something new for me. I don't know meaning of that, but okay. Bonus tardes sounds good. Okay, this background will work. We need something dark and moody. And the chat probably could be smaller. That's plenty, that's enough. Okay, cool. So, generally, I'm just testing. Is rest streaming on Twitch and my voice is low. Okay, let's try to fix that. This should help. Is it better? Sorry. Maybe like that?
Like that, yeah. This will be the lower or deeper.
Oh, this is high. This should be good, yeah. Can we stick with this? Are we good?
Okay, I hope that now voice is better. Audio coming from a camera? No, I don't think so, but maybe we have... Okay, no, it should be better without echo. Yeah, we had echo and now that echo should be removed and yeah. Okie dokie. Are we still echoing? It should be good already. Good now. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing great, everything's fine. Yeah, earlier today I was checking, basically, before the stream I researched keywords, basically. And I don't know, I was looking basically into the habit tracking app keywords, and I was looking in apps which are kind of currently on top of the search for habit tracking. Big, yeah, this is Habit Tracker, Habit Kit by Sebastian Royal, sorry, by Sebastian. That's kudos for him. He's, I don't know, he's doing very great. Basically, he's in top 5 on keyword for habit tracker, but yeah, definitely it doesn't make sense to try to compete for keyword habit tracker, and I am looking on basically probably I will take a look on daily goal tracking thing, something like that. We'll see. Yeah, but whatever. Yeah, I just changed up name to do that. Okay, we have plenty of screens open at which we don't need. Slack, Obsidian, probably GitHub desktop. VPN doesn't hurt. Calendar. Let's close all of that. Password. Go away. Why don't we close? Okay, this was closed. Okay, good. And yeah, and now I'm looking actually into the onboarding flows in between different applications, and I would like to improve a little bit. Is this live supposed to be public? It is public. This live is public, yeah. Okay, whatever. So, yeah, currently I was looking on, I would like to look on elements probably. Do we have something like onboarding? No, we need a screen. No, flows. Probably that's in flows. Onboarding. Okay, let's check what do we have here. I would like to see if we have something interesting to find in onboarding flows for something like social sharing. Oh, okay, folks, hello. Something about social sharing, because I would like to add some kind of social sharing into my applications. And I'm not sure, should I do that in onboarding flow or after that? Let's see. Maybe screens, promotions and rewards. No, let's see. Something like shard. But it's trying to search by apps. I would like to see by screen. Sign up verification. Settings and preferences. Empty state. Viewing, checkout. Not that. Comments, followers, invite teammates, social feeds, no. I'm looking for inspiration for some kind of social sharing card, something like that. Music is louder than your speech. Really? Okay, I can make it down. I was just thinking that music probably is more interesting than my speech, because I don't know, I'm just kind of rambling now. But whatever. Okay, I made it less loud. Search, set, schedule, shard. Okay, here it is. I would like something about sharding. Almost 40k. Yes, we are so close to 40k. And I kind of... there is a chance to hit 50k this year, because the year is just starting. We are on 40k. I don't know. 100k? I don't know. Unlikely, but we'll see. 40k almost there. Okie dokie, so... Are you using Mobin paid version? Yes. I just paid. Hey, However, is there an easy way to create title, description, text translated to all the languages available for Apple Store? I'm thinking about the localization, but manually it's hard to write. Okay, description, localization for description is not kind of necessary. Oh, Ben, hello. Hey. But yes, there are tools. One thing that you can use was this fast line. Basically, you can do everything in it, and that's free. Fast line is something like that. I always forget how it is. Fast. Can't type fast lane, something like that. Fast lane, yeah. This app automation. I used it for a while ago, but basically you can automate screenshots. I use it for screenshot automation. Then you can do this deployment. I never got this deployment kind of working. I don't remember why, but screenshot automation I did. Basically you can automatically grab all the screenshots if you have user interface tests added to the project. And then you can do this App Store deployment, and basically when you're deploying to the App Store you can add metadata for all the languages. Also you can push what's new in the application based on your changelog and so on. Yeah, Fastline tools, yeah, exactly. That's that. But you probably will spend day or two on configuration. Depends how easy it is now and how skilled you are. I did that maybe 3 years ago, maybe more, and spent probably 2 days on that. But there are also easier tools. For example, many of those screenshot kind of creating tools, there are plenty of them. I'm using this Screenshot Master. You can push screenshots and metadata to the App Store from it. Also there is something like Hazel, something. Come on, search. Helm. Yeah, Helm. I installed it, but I never logged in it. But basically, that's basically for that. Basically, I need to connect it to the App Store. I didn't do that, but yeah, because whatever, I didn't want to provide access and so on. All the keys, but basically that's for management. I don't know how good it works, but basically there are plenty of tools which can help you to do that. I am kind of lazy. I basically just do that manually, because basically you need to copy what's new in the application every time, and if you want to update promotion text, then you can do that. Then you should do that in all the languages, and I'm supporting something like 4 to 5 languages, for 3 to 5 languages for my apps. Depends on application, but something like that. Translated all the text except app's name. Is it good or bad approach? So depends why are you doing that. If you are doing that for App Store kind of search optimization, so the thing is that, for example, for my applications, let's go to the freediving application. For my applications, I'm using localized versions. I have French, German, Russian, and so on. And I have partly localized those kind of texts and so on, but maybe you are doing that for, let's say, for this application, I just have Arabic and Chinese. And basically, those keywords, what you have in that, here is that keyword kind of list, right? In that keyword list, basically, if you have Arabic and Chinese kind of keywords, you can just add different set of keywords here, and that will be used for English App Store optimization. So I don't know why are you doing this localization. So therefore, it's kind of tricky to answer to your question. So we need to remove tracker from here actually. Health do, atomic widget, progress life, focus. Yes, that sounds right. I'm just changing currently app names if I need to remove interaction from here. So, yeah, that's that. Air Croatian. Yeah, if I don't have Latvian here, so no favorites here. Okay, so the thing is, I am kind of still into the onboarding flow changes. I'm kind of thinking about changes in onboarding flow. Let me open application to show what I'm talking about. Today, basically, I'm just testing if my streaming from using Restream works. That's one thing. Another thing, I just want to, yeah, I'm testing that and I'm looking for inspiration what to add as a sharing into the project, because where's my onboarding flow? Let me show. So in onboarding flow, I have that's kind of simple. There is that just startup view, then I asking for names, then I asking for notification permissions, then I setting goals, and then I showing some kind of personalized summary. And I'm thinking that in this step or in the next step, that could be cool to share what you're planning to do with your friends. And there are two reasons to do that. One is if you're sharing your kind of goals, plans, and so on, there is bigger chance that you will stick with it. And another reason, obviously, is just marketing purposes for the application. So that's that, you know. I do that because of Upstart, because I think the Russian person who is searching for training app will search in Russian, and I think, yeah, sure. Yeah, that's a good idea, of course. Of course. Oh, Mikhail, that's really cool. I'm really that's the best thing, and I'm really happy always to hear that my silly internet videos kind of changing lives, let's say so, making to do something and so on. That's a big inspiration for me. Thank you for sharing that. Come on, can I get preview? I already kind of opened it today. Local Apple reseller, premium reseller kind of page, and took a look on the models. It's starting to get annoying. Probably I will need to upgrade because I'm running into the system memory warnings. That's one thing. And another thing, those SwiftUI kind of build times takes a lot of time. Those previews are kind of building so long. Okay, failed at the end. Okay, let's run it. Let's just run it. Previews. I love them so much, but suffer stress. Yes. Yes, and currently I'm pretty sure that they broke just because whatever. Basically, Xcode said, I didn't manage. I like those previews are very, very nice tool because, yeah, I don't know how we lived without them before, but it's, especially when you're working on user interface, that's so cool to have them. But annoying when you just have to sit and wait. Okay, so we can chat. So today's drink is Rudy's kombucha. Thank you. I honestly love following you, Martin Lasek. Yeah, Martin is a great guy as well. Yeah, I didn't saw him streaming recently. I think he's not streaming anymore. Maybe, but he's in different time zone. Oh, finally. He's in different time zone, so probably he's doing, I'm just not seeing, but Yeah. He is actually Martin Lasek, for those who don't know. He is a creator of WishKit tool that I am using in most of my projects. Did I close it, browser? Yeah, it looks like WishKit dashboard. Can we just open WishKit? Just to show it. Yeah, this one. That's a great tool. I have it in my applications. And yeah, he's indie developer. He created this tool. Okay. Sponsored what? Right. Ah, kombucha? No, I bought it for my own money. No, it's not sponsored. No. It is made in Latvia, so that could be a reason to promote it. So it's from city in Latvia, Kuldīga. But, nah, not sponsored at all. I'm not sure if you can buy it online. Yeah, WishKit control panel is good today. Definitely agree. It's kind of nice. It's relatively easy to create something like that user interface and collect this data, but all that backend stuff, yeah, it's so much easier to implement that tool. Okay, so okay. Let's see, am I on onboarding flow here? No, I'm already logged in. Okay, so I think in this screen hey Diabolo, hello. I think in this screen we could do promotion, but this screen probably is kind of busy already. So I think that, okay, let's delete it. Let's delete app from this simulator and install it again to see onboarding. Okay, delete. Okay, let's run again. Okay, it was in Chrome. Okay, let's close Safari, Chrome, Mixpanel. Good evening, Marty. Hello. Have you actually tried the TikTok editor? No, I didn't. I installed it. Here it is. I just downloaded and installed it. It is Trae. It's basically VS Code kind of what it is, fork or whatever, and basically made by TikTok. I downloaded it just because of curiosity. I would like to try and see how it's different than Cursor. I didn't try really, but maybe it will do. What can I learn better SwiftUI? Where can I learn better SwiftUI? Do you have any books you can recommend to me besides 100 Days of SwiftUI? Yes, I can. There is there is Ben in the chat with NS screencasts. So that is an interesting resource. But that is not just, like kind of, this is kind of interesting resource if you just, kind of want to watch some videos, time to time. I used this to basically to watch like whatever, when I have lunch, I opening and then watching something. But yeah, that is not like some course from A to Z, like 100 days of SwiftUI, but it's interesting. And I like Sean Allen's Teachable. Sean Allen courses, lesson content locked. Why? Whatever. I try to open some kind of lesson probably here. Yeah, this widget kit course basically is good. I like that one, and he has few more courses. I bought this widget course and few more. I don't remember, but basically I bought again. It's good. I like that. But if you are already kind of going through this SwiftUI, 100 days of SwiftUI, basically you have all that you need, and actually you don't need another course. You can learn basically all that is needed in this 100 days of SwiftUI course, and you should start building something already, That's what you should do. Getting 100 downloads in a week is an achievement for indie developer. Oh, yes. It's good. It's you always can do better, but yesterday in Indie App Accelerator we discussed basically download numbers and so on. And yeah, there two members basically have something like 50 to 100 downloads in a month. So 100 downloads in a week, it's not bad. For me, you can see if I will look for a week, 7 days, we had 129 basically active users. And that's my onboarding, current onboarding flow. So question about hard versus soft paywalls. You can get app rejected if you will use hard paywall. I never really used hard paywalls. I always have soft paywalls. Why app is not running? Let's kill it again. So you are really not allowed to use hard paywalls. You can get rejected. And yeah. Okay, here it is. Let's delete app. And I know there are plenty of apps in the App Store with a hard paywall. That's basically depends how lucky are you. You can get it approved or you can get it rejected. You never know. I registered myself to your coaching for Indie Dev, but no notification yet. Are you still providing that course? It's closed currently. It's are you asking about this school? Indie App Accelerator? That's more like community, It's we have 66 membership requests pending currently, but I have closed it for new members right now. We have I need to answer those. We have 124 members inside, and that's kind of nice and chill community. I will reopen it for new members, but a little bit later when I will have basically time and energy to onboard all the new members and so on. So that's why it's closed. I don't know when I will do that. Maybe in February, maybe in March, but the idea is to help everyone who would like to start to basically come up with profitable app idea and build it from zero to the first kind of dollar in revenue. That's the goal. But yeah, currently I just don't have capacity for that to onboard more members. We already have 120 plus there, and that kind of takes time to support all of them. So the more I do projects, the more I learn, but I really want to focus on learning. I'd better take a course. That's wrong approach, Mikhail. You know, depends what you would like to learn. If you would like to kind of become kind of more better developer, there is this solid. I think, yeah, the solid principles. I was going through it something like 3-4, I don't know how much years ago, but basically this solid principles, that's something like 1 hour total of learning in this series, and basically you kind of learn quite a lot from let's say advanced programming. Basically you learn this solid principle. If you don't know what it is, Google it. And another thing was from this, if you like this 100 days of code, there is a Swift design patterns book from Paul Hudson. Design, yeah, patterns. I bought that book and have it. That was also kind of good. Basically, I didn't really know what is singleton, how to set singleton and so on. Basically, learn. Here is classic patterns, singleton, response chain, those kind of things. It's kind of helpful to learn. I think that's also a valuable thing to learn. So maybe that, but I don't know how many courses you are planning to take. Okay, it depends on what you would like to learn, but generally I think if you learn it already kind of enough of course is different for everyone, but then you should start building. Okay, let me catch up with. I am indie Android dev, but I built cute app. Do you think are there jobs specifically for people with skill in Europe? What? Do you think are there jobs specifically for people with skill in Europe? Yes, there are jobs for people with skills in Europe. It's worse in terms of time to implement Mixpanel for an MVP app, or you created a few days targeting some keywords. Mixpanel implementation is, I don't know, it's very, very, very easy and fast. I did that on live stream. It was something like maybe hour or two. It's very easy, and yeah, you can on initial stages you can use it for free. I don't know iOS though, but I have budget for Apple ecosystem, so it's fine to Android. Sure, there are plenty of Android work for Android developers. When is new version of the app coming out? Which app? This habit tracker? Maybe definitely this week. Some update will come out. As a person who makes courses content, the best learning you is to writing your own apps. Yeah, exactly. I highly agree with Ben. That's basically what also I'm saying. Yeah, that side, once you do that, you have a million more questions, and that's when I find learning content super useful. Yeah, I agree. My take basically is to do not learn just for sake of learning. Of course, when you just start out, when you're building, you need to learn how to use Xcode, you need to learn basically basic structure of iOS application, how to build your first project and so on. But when you already learn that at some point you should stop kind of learning and start building. I don't know, that's, for example, okay, I learned iOS development for a while ago. That was Objective-C, then UIKit, what else? Not Swift. But I learned SwiftUI not so far ago. It was 2 years probably ago. You know, it was SwiftUI was announced in Apple conference. I was kind of, oh yeah, I'm kind of going to learn it. of course, I watched a few videos, made test project and forgot it. And basically a year later, I decided, okay, I will start to implement SwiftUI in my own application, and I started to to change a few screens. I started to add new screens using SwiftUI. And yeah, the rest is the history. Basically, currently this application, I already started to build it in SwiftUI, and my application, when I started to implement SwiftUI code, it was my freediving application. It was pure UI kit application. I built it back in 2000, whatever, I don't remember. Doesn't matter. But currently, all of that is kind of written in SwiftUI as well. I just recently found that I still have some kind of UI button extensions from 2018 in this project. Basically, this is not used anywhere anymore, but I just need to remove it, something. Storyboard, yeah, there were storyboards, what else not, whatever. So, some old unused code, Your first step will be awful and you will learn so much. Yes, exactly. Hey Deepox, hello. You are camera focus rip? What? What was that? What do you mean by focus rip? Is it not in focus? It's kind of in focus. Or this camera? Yeah, this camera is probably a little bit off focus. But this should be fine. I don't know. Okay, so we are not in this project. We are in that project. Ben, by the way, important question. Are you going to the skiing resort after the conference? Okay, here is my onboarding flow. So, what is your name? My name is Ivers. Okay, I implemented this thing. It is not in production yet. We should push this to production and release this week. So that's kind of new thing. I'm kind of happy that I did it. I'm kind of happy that it is also supporting in dark mode. It changes the image as well to the dark, because actually obviously this is an image here on the background. I'm kind of happy about that. And perhaps this pop-up could be displayed in previous screen, but that's kind of minor thing. Booked return days on Saturday, so I didn't think enough time. Yes. I don't know. But I think if you are just going there Friday and going back on Friday, so probably no. It doesn't make sense to do that. That's the question, I think that could be interesting, because in March there is a chance that there will be snow, but that Oulu is in the middle of the Finland. It's not kind of North Lapland. If there is no snow, then in that skiing resort, it will be kind of You can still go into sauna. But yeah, I don't know. I'm just kind of looking on my options. Am I going to the Canary Islands or am I going to the Finland? I don't know yet, because I need to, because yeah, some things come up what I should do in Latvia. Maybe I'm not going to the Canary Islands. Yeah, camera likes microphone, yeah. It's just closer to it, so that's why. Making profit from apps is totally different thing, and living from apps is different skill. Yeah. That's for sure. Yeah, it's kind of so. Programming part is relatively easy. Let me tell so. So I'm thinking here we're doing basically, I'm saying that, okay, I would like to improve my productivity. And I think that this kind of screen should be moved as a next one, because in the next screen currently we are kind of here, we are saying, okay, I will do like 30-day streak. I will stick with this habit for 30 days. So we should change the order of those screens actually. I don't know actually how long the drive is and how far it is, but that Oulu, Finland, it is kind of not on very kind of north. It's kind of, the weather is maybe a little bit colder than in Latvia, but okay, let's say Helsinki weather is exactly like in Latvia, and here is Oulu, it's kind of in the middle. And if that kind of resort is somewhere to the top, to the north, then maybe there is a snow. But if you are going there by bus, how much time it will take, you know? Yeah, I don't know. I just got my M4 Pro. All process from ordering to delivery took 4 working days. That's fast. And you got that with this nano texture. Yeah, I was thinking that if I'm getting upgrade, then I need that nano texture as well. But yeah, I don't know if I will take it. It's that current MacBook M1 Pro kind of works, you know, but sometimes it's getting slow and annoying, and then you have to wait on it, and then kind of, yeah. Yeah, but Pasio Deo, actually, I see that you are kind of mixing two things in your comment. You're asking about implementing Mixpanel and targeting keywords. Mixpanel is not for keywords. Mixpanel is just for analytics in the app. Okay, you know, I think that we need to change this order. Oh, you know, that is a chance actually to give a try to this new, what it was, Trae. I wanted to give it a try. I don't have much time today anyways. I promised my wife that I will be early in bed. Max maybe 1 hour. Let's see, I would like to try how this works. Let's open folder with this project. Developer. I don't see my... Seed, step tracker. Where is my habit tracker? It's not 2022 project. Okay, maybe habit tracker. It was something like mini habits. Yeah, this one. Okay. Do we have snow in Latvia? Not currently. Resort is 2 hours away from Oulu. Yeah, then it's doable. Do you trust authors for the... This is a very interesting situation. I'm trust to authors in this folder more than authors of this ID. So, yeah. Snow in Texas, crazy. We had plenty of snow a few weeks ago, but currently everything is melted. It was something like +4 today when I was walking dog. To add localized screenshots and keywords, do I need to add support for new languages in the app, or English is enough? English is enough. You can just add localization for App Store page, and that's enough. I don't trust them all. Yeah, exactly. I don't know. This ID is made by authors of TikTok. I don't trust them at all. I don't know. But I just want to try this kind of chat mode, because in Cursor you have to write all the prompt, and then you will kind of get whatever you will get as a result. In this one, you probably have chat a little bit kind of more and longer. I don't know, we'll see. I would like to try. But I don't trust them either. It's kind of... Okay, how we can start this dialogue? So, onboarding. Here is my onboarding model. I just want to see what will happen. It's kind of, let's experiment a little bit. It's a trap. Yes. And there's definitely some kind of social engineering then when they are kind of asking me first, oh, are you trust those developers? Oh. Can we make it bigger just for you? Yeah, we can. It sounds like trap, yeah. It's probably a little bit too big, but whatever. Okay, it will be more readable on stream. Hello, sunny Portugal. Hey, Marcio, hello. Okay. I will write add to chat. Let's see. By the way, check out my keyboard. I just got it today. Looks like regular keyboard, but then you can do, I don't know, here. Then you can do stuff like that. Actually, this will be probably better. Kind of fancy, but I don't know. I'm using it right now like a regular keyboard. Brent Journey asking, do I know Russian? Yes, I do. That's a trap indeed. Yeah. Okay, so what I would like to do. So here what we need to do. Change order of the screens. So summary. Come after commitment. That's easy, of course, but so I would like to try to give some kind of little bit design, probably. Yeah, like this, something like this. Design and also kind of feature implementation task. So we would like to have shareable image, which can be shared to the Instagram, Facebook. I don't know who is using Facebook nowadays. Something like this, you know, Instagram, maybe messages. Oh, actually, this is kind of nice share screen, something like that. What is Trae? Trae is new, basically that is VS Code. New fork from VS Code. You know Cursor probably. So that's basically Cursor, but made by the TikTok team. I just opened it first time, just downloaded it today, and I would like to give it a try to see how that will work. Yeah, something like this Duolingo card. Hello from Kiev. Oh, dobro, yeah, something like that. Not dobro, probably was Poland. Polish, sorry. I know a few words in Ukrainian, but very few. And forgot all of them already when I tried to say something. Hello. Thanks for watching my streams and videos. I'm looking on those buttons. Basically, we could use the native kind of sharing kind of thing, but kurwa, that's Poland, yeah. Yeah, Polish is Zen Dobry, yeah, something like that. Using this kind of default char kind of card will work and will be easy to implement, but I'm not sure is that the best way to do, because I think this kind of Duolingo approach is better, but I don't know if this is somehow kind of tricky. Let's Google it. Swift share to Instagram, something like that. Sharing feed stories to Instagram with Swift. Basically, if we need to use Facebook API for that, SDK for that, I'm definitely not implementing that. Pasteboard. It looks like kind of using regular kind of links, something like that, to share it. I don't know what is better approach, because currently here I just have very kind of that is just kind of test thing. Currently I already have native kind of sharing kind of thing with just text, but I don't know if that is the best way how to implement that, you know. Hey Mechatronics, hello, everything is going well. Yeah. Dobry večer. I can read that and understand that without translation. It's kind of tricky. I know Russian and I can understand a little bit of Polish, you know. In Bulgaria, I can read basically, but it's kind of hard to understand Bulgarian. I have few co-workers from North Macedonia. That's very tricky. From Macedonian, I can just catch kind of separate words, you know. How are you in Croatian is Jeh Boh kao si. Try. Yeah, it's hard. Oh, Latvian grammar, that's also kind of his next level thing, believe me. Oh, let's Google actually. Which is hardest language in the world? I don't know. It's probably some kind of Chinese, Mandarin. Widely spoken as well, yeah. For English to learn, this probably will be Japanese, Arabic, of course. Polish, well, it's quite high. Russian, Turkish, Danish, yeah. Hard to learn. Okay. Latvian grammar is one of the most complex in the world, that kind of thing, you know. Because there is a lot of grammar rules, you know. I don't know how it is comparing with Croatian, but yeah. Serbia is similar. Dobro večer. Good evening. Yeah. I don't think that assembly is hard language to learn. It is hard to develop something in assembly because it's kind of simple, you know, there is not so many kind of rules and so on. But doing something meaningful using just assembly is kind of tricky. Yeah, there was a fun TikTok about Latvian language. I should save it somewhere. TikTok Latvian from one guy who is learning here for. Okay, here this guy. He is kind of this or that Latvian language journey. He basically living in Latvia for 6 years already.
People keep asking me, why haven't you learned Latvian in 6 years? Let me tell you why. The pronouns you need to use in Latvian are viņš, viņa, viņu, viņas, viņi, viņam, viņam, viņiem, and viņai. How am I supposed to string a sentence together when I have to choose between 9 different vīns? But then vīns is wine, which is a whole different thing. And viņa means she, and it also means his. Tev is possessive you, but tevs is dad. You use tas to refer to a singular male
It's
object.
kind of funny. It's I don't know, if you're curious, just watch it. And that's kind of that guy living in Latvia for 6 years didn't manage to speak at all, you know. And I do not kind of blame him. It's grammar is tricky, you know. Okay, whatever. Where I am here. So I will copy this and I will ask AI to figure out how can we do that. Can I post picture here? Yes, we can. Why did you decide to move from product management to development? Plan to follow your path. Dmitry learning English on my channel. Why I moved from product management? So in my last job in product, actually, I was in, am I in LinkedIn? Just short history. Yeah, here I am. How can I open my profile? Here's my profile. Oh, I already changed that picture. Okay, there was kind of typical product manager. Okay, whatever. So I was thinking I had more kind of corporate picture here, but I changed it for a while ago. Okay, whatever. So I was head of products for Verifone. Basically, 2017, yeah, basically 2017, I decided that, whatever. The problem is with, I started as a technical engineer, then I become kind of manager of engineers, then I become a product manager, blah, 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 and then I was in kind of senior management, kind of reporting directly to CEO and kind of sitting in senior management meetings and so on. It's kind of, you know, it's kind of boring work, actually. I was mostly doing presentations, Excels, and so on, you know, and then fighting to get resources for development products and so on. It's kind of, I don't know. Currently, I'm having fun chatting with you guys. I'm building applications that I like, making money from that. I'm making money from my kind of helping others to start building applications in my indie app developers community. I just basically doing whatever I found fun and interesting. And I don't know. Currently, at this point, I'm making more money than I made as a head of product management. And what changed? I'm not sitting in corner office and I don't have fancy business card. Are those some kind of benefits? I don't know, not for me. It means nothing for me. And currently, I'm kind of, if I need to make some kind of business card, I don't know, no one, you know, just one guy somewhere in the Latvia making YouTube videos and so on and having fun. But it's for me, that's for me is more, kind of way more interesting. That's kind of that answer. So yeah, I started freelancing, and I had so far basically 3 big customers and then multiple kind of smaller customers. For this one I was working for 1 year, for this one I was working for 4 years as freelance consultant. Then I started one payment startup, got bored, kind of dropped that one. And yeah, currently I'm kind of back to this kind of company. They asked, can I work for them again? I said, yeah, I can. And basically I do. And from 2014, basically for 10 years already, I'm kind of building my own applications and having fun with that. That's that. That is more fun than being product manager. But for me, I'm not saying that product manager is bad job, career or something. I'm just saying it was for me enough, you know. Yeah. Give me a sec, I will be back. Okay, my kid is going to sleep. I had to say goodnight. And yeah, also, that's also a thing, you know. I still have kids living at home, and currently I can work from home, be on mornings with them, in evenings when they come back from school with them, and so on. When I was working as product manager, basically it was I drive my kids to the kindergarten at 7 at the morning to be in the office at 8. Then I was working until 5 to 6, then driving back basically to be on time until 7 to pick my daughter from kindergarten, drive home. So basically I spent maybe 2 hours, you know, then you're kind of tired, busy on the evening, kind of, it's not really kind of spending time with kids, you know, it's kind of, I don't know, getting them into bed probably. That's it. And yeah, that's it, you know. But now I can be at home when she comes from school, spend time together. It's, yeah, for me that's way more important than some dumb business card, which basically means nothing. Yeah, that's why. Okay, change order of the onboarding screen. Summary should come after commitment. Yeah, I have family next to me. I can spend all day long with my dog. So plenty of things that I enjoy. Okay, change order on the onboarding screens. Summary should come after commitment. Okay. I have 16-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro. Summary card should include also information from... No. Yes. Summary card should include commitment as well. Something along the lines. Username. Can I do something like that? We'll see if you'll understand. Username. Committed to. What could we say here? So basically I would like to say I just commit. Basically we don't need username, we need I, because that's I as a user sharing. I committed, basically we have that here already in the code somewhere. Yeah, I committed to X-day streak to work on, and here we will add something like hello Lastimir. Work on, and there here we will add something like goals. How I name them? I don't remember already. Basically here in summary view we are those are goals, right? We'll see how smart AI will be to understand this requirement. I'm not sure. Do you only do iOS? macOS, Apple WatchOS, but yeah, I'm doing only Apple development for Apple platforms. Actually, I just realized that you do not see what I'm writing here in those kind of prompt. So we need change order. Summary cards will include commitment as well. Okay, card should be shareable on socials, similar like in attached screenshot. Yeah, let's see. We have Cloud here. Okay, let's try. It's very first time I'm trying this, you know. Try, think. I don't know how good or bad it is. We will see. How can you focus like this? I don't. I never focus. I never in my life was in the focus. I have all signs of ADHD, do not use any meditation, do not use any medicine, nothing. I just living my life distracted. Can you learn both at the same time, iOS and web dev? You can learn. Let's take a look. Let's use example of with languages. Can you learn at the same time Latvian, Chinese, and Russian? Yes, you can. Are they similar? Are you helping somehow by learning those together? No, not at all. Will you move faster if you will learn just one thing at the time? Of course, yes. So you can, but why? So in onboarding models, we are kind of changing order. That's easy peasy, sure, yeah. We just, okay, let's apply. Will it work? It kind of works. Shareable title. Do we need it here? I don't, but okay, whatever. Okay. And then in onboarding models, commitment level. Ah, yeah, right. We need to shard them somehow in between screens. Right. Okay. Yeah. It's kind of saying, oh, here we will need to kind of implement this shareable card and so on. No. We will implement this shareable card right now. This structure provides foundation. Create a view that will generate. Yeah, probably I will need to create that UI by myself, but. And I'm getting question. Do I need to? Would you like me to provide? Can I move it somehow to be? Let's move it like that here. Can I move everything a little bit? Okay, let's move those widgets as well. Oh, actually it's +1 right now. I said it's 3 or 4, but it's actually +1. Okay, let's move chat here. Okay, this will be better. So now you will be able to read this one as well. Yep. Good. Okay, so let's apply this. Complete and resolve changes and retry. What? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's apply this as well. Onboarding summary. Then we will refactor that to different file. Will be fine for me for now. Hey Dost, hello. Nice to have you. Create a view to generate. Okay, would you like me to provide implementation for sharing view as well? What that means? Good, bad, retry, copy all. Okay, yes, let's it's like S, but okay, that's Latvian. Let's switch languages. And it kind of works. I don't see how it is different than cursor for now, to be honest. But let's see. Use one reference. What reference? Where do you find music? Music is from Epidemic Sounds. Epidemic Sounds, that's basically music service which they are paying compositors to create music, and then you can buy it to use on live streams, videos and so on. Instagram, whatever. Social kind of things. Shareable summary view. Oh, interesting. Insert at cursor. Why at cursor? How that will help to insert at cursor? The problem is that with in cursor, basically when you it's easier to just copy and create the new file in the Xcode to add it properly into the project. It's better looking for sure. Yeah, Janša, I will agree. Hi, Labvakar. I will agree. It looks better. I don't know how it is possible to use cursor. Maybe if you kind of fine tune it, change themes, what else? Not it probably looks better, but I don't know. I just can't. I am using it because of AI, but I definitely don't like it. Okay, let's see what we have here. Struct, shareable summary view. Okay, summary, text summary, kind of, okay. Summary is dumb text to have, of course, but whatever. A commitment to build better habits. Where is our period of my goals? Text goal icon. Yeah, but I do not see period of commitment. Commitment level, here it is. Okay, commitment level is here, that's fine. And then we have my goals here. Okay, let's copy it. Basically, oh fuck, add to new file, probably it will, where it is added now. I'm pretty sure it will not work good with Xcode, but we'll see. It looks bad, but if it makes money, exactly, yeah. What are you doing tonight? I am testing Trae, which is kind of like a cursor, but from TikTok, which sounds silly, but oh, here was copy. I wanted to copy it. Now I don't know where it added it. Onboarding models? Not in onboarding models file. Import SwiftUI. Where it is added? Personalized summary. Yeah. Who knows? Okay, let's go to the Xcode to see if it is added at all. Let's see changes. Oh, it is actually added. Is it? Oh no. No, those are changes in commitment view. No, it's not added. I don't know where it is added. Somewhere in the project without adding to them. We will need to find it and delete it. It is actually added somewhere in the project file system without adding to the Xcode project. That's the problem with all those VS Code kind of tools. Guys, I have a question. I have M1 Pro 16-inch MacBook. Matrix died, and therefore the screen does not show anything. Use laptop connected to the monitor and keyboard and mouse. Is it worth to repair it for 1K so that I can carry it with me or use it? I don't know. Is it make sense to spend 1K on it to repair? Because I was thinking, okay, if I will upgrade, then probably I will sell my MacBook, and I don't know how much it costs. 1.5K, maybe 2K at max. I bought it for something like 2K, 2,700, something like that. I think maybe I can sell it for 1.5K with working screen. You know? Yeah, I don't know. Mixpanel is working fine. Mixpanel are working just great. Here it is. And I can see my onboarding flow right here. Basically, that's what I wanted to see. I see that I have overall 82.6% of users getting from first screen to the end. So I assume it's not horribly bad, you know. Hey Magesh. I watch your videos, but this time I am in live chat. Nice, welcome, welcome. Nice to have you. Yeah, it's always nice to have live chat, because with YouTube videos, I like making YouTube videos. I'm happy to hear that if you like those YouTube videos, but that's different. You know, you can't really kind of, even in comments, you can't really have discussion. You know, because it's kind of asynchronous. You know. And when you see comment once, then you reply, and then if someone else will reply to that comment, it's just lost in that communication system. Doesn't really work in the YouTube. Okay, let's add it here. File, new. It's kind of new feature, nice in Xcode 16 that you can just create file from clipboard. Okay, we don't have preview here. Let's add preview. Autocomplete, where is your preview? Summary, do we need summary as well? Oh, we need summary as well. And what is onboarding summary in this case? Okay, we have it here. Okay, I will try to add it in that preview, just like that. And we'll hope that it will work. Okay, can we get preview, please? Could be cool. I pressed the like button. Thank you. I appreciate that. Also, guys, check if that like button is working. We don't have a lot of likes. Oh, it's working on your side. Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Really nice. Thank you very much. I choose inheritance. Do you think it's better, or you have any recommendations? I'm having migration issues. What? I was doing some core data stuff and how, let's say, version 2 of entity and also need to have version 1. Why? You don't need, it sounds that you are doing something wrong. You need to do this lightweight migration. If you're just adding, so if you're changing your core data structure, it's bad, and try to avoid that. But if you're just adding new fields, which usually is a case for core data updates, then you just need to do this lightweight migration. You just create new core data model and that's it. I don't have core data in any project anymore. I removed it. But basically, maybe I have. Oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. Basically, you creating, I don't remember how you do that, something like file or edit, and then you basically make that new, whatever it is, something like that. Basically, Google lightweight migration. You just create new version of database and you make changes in that new version of database. You're adding new fields in that new version of database. That's it. And then everything will become automatically. Am I getting older or this text looks really small? Yeah, here is big text for you guys. Okay, so, okay, we added this shareable summary. Okay, then we will need shareable view modifier. Why is that? Okay, this will handle sharing functionality. Okay, where we will show it. To use this in your onboarding flow, you can apply it to the summary view like this. Okay, makes sense. Then, okay, we will need to copy this thing as well. Let's copy paste this thing as well. Modifier, we'll see if that works. If it works, then how it looks. Share arrow up, okay, makes sense. Share sheet also makes sense, probably. And this could be kind of applied, right? Why should we do this manually? Okay. Missed the part of the stream. Did you try Trae yet? Yeah, here it is. Yeah, here it is. We are exactly what we are doing here. Okay, how can I add, insert the cursor, copy with connections? Okay. Okay, so what I wanted to say something here. Oh, cool. My second screen just decided to go to sleep. Can you see it? Yeah, that one. Basically, it's that's OLED screen, and I think that screen just decided that it is time to reload the matrix. I don't know what's going on here, but that's basically what OLED screens are doing. It's fine. I just do not see chat for now, but I think it will be back in a minute. Okay, what I wanted to say something about this one. Navigation item. Okay, this one kind of looks fine. I already forgot what I wanted to say about it. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, let's go back. Okay. I would like to get this from AI, like this. Please add all the necessary changes, like this. Can I get that screen working? That could be really nice, actually. The screen just decided to go to sleep. That's kind of fun. To maintain the panels, quality, pixel reference, blah blah blah. Yeah. That's basically because that's OLED screen, and that OLED screen decided that's enough is enough. It's kind of enough working. Oh, Marco, hello. I didn't saw chat for a bit because my chat screen decided to go to the sleep already. But we are back. We are very back. Good evening. 1, 2, 3 chat test, yeah. I see chat now. All good. Okay. Let's go back to whatever we are doing here. So, do not tell me what to do. I just opened the Trae to do the work for me, not to do all by myself. The monitor has been working for over 4 hours.
People keep asking me, why haven't you learned Latvian in 6 years?
that?
Let me tell you why. The pronouns you need to use in Latvian are Vīņa, Vīņu, Vīņas, Vīņi, Vīņam,
something is
Vīņam,
playing.
Vīņiem,
Sorry.
and Vīņai. How am I supposed to string a
Found
sentence
it.
together when I...
Oh my gosh. Which tab it was? Oh, this one. Found it. I have LinkedIn open and Google Maps, everything. So this Trae AI basically converting the Xcode. No. Stefano, basically that is VS Code, and you can open the same project that you are using with the Xcode or whatever, and yeah, work with it, but it's not connected with VS Code at all. Good afternoon from Ovesboro. Hello, Darin. Good afternoon. Okay, so here is what we should structure files. Wait a minute. Don't you repeating yourself now? Charles summary view. We already added that. Yeah, we already added that. Now create the view that will use shareable summary. Onboarding summary view. Wait a minute. Yeah, then we have this view modifier. Okay, what's that? Ah, right. Onboarding summary view. I have it already. Okay, that's fine. And here is my shards sheet. Okay, let's add that to the where it is. Onboarding some. No, we don't have onboarding summary. We have onboarding personalized summary. Yeah, I don't kind of understand. Am I sleepy already? I am not. We don't have onboarding summary view. Okay, where it is? Show me. File not found. Exactly. Exactly. We don't have such file. It's getting kind of messy already. Yeah, I don't know. And then finally, let's add shard, blah, 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 blah. Shard sheet Swift. We don't have this file as well. Oh, yeah. Those changes will create beautiful sharding card. Okay, let's just for experiment. I will copy those files. I will add them. It's kind of hard to follow, to be honest, already what is going on here. I will add those files. It's total mess, but whatever. Okay, I will add this file because for me it's impossible to read and understand what's going on here in that Trae, whatever it is. Okay, onboarding summary view, we have that one and we need this one as well. Wait a minute, paga. Yes, shareable summary view. We need to create this one. Okay, here it is, shareable summary view. Oh, no, not that. Okay, here are changes, app icon, text mini habits. Yeah, we have app icon. That's fine. Okay, we have this onboarding summary view. We have this. Okay, and then we need this shard sheet as well. Okay, shard sheet. Let's add it here. Okay, and now I'm curious to see if we can compile this, and if we can compile this, how it looks like. Let's try. So I have some experience using Copilot, and I will say that Copilot works kind of better. Okay, we have invalid redeclaration of shard sheet. Did we had it twice? Obviously we have, yeah. Okay, where it is? Shard sheet as a file is just once here, but probably AI was so nice and added it somewhere in other. Okay, here it is. No. Where do we okay, here is shard sheet. Yeah, here it is. That's our duplication. Okay, let's delete this one because now we have it in separate file. Let's try to build one more time. I just joined it. Can you explain what you are doing? Oh, yeah, I'm playing around with this Trae, new AI kind of tool from TikTok. And it doesn't look that it will work. Currently we could replace this with something. It should be unwrapped. Let's add can I just add string here? Probably no. I'm too lazy to. Okay, I will not go to fix that. I will ask AI to do that. But this code will be definitely will throw our code. It's mess. Okay. Onboarding summary view. Onboarding summary view. Okay, here it is. Okay. I will say that cursor, it looks right now, it looks that cursor works better. Maybe I'm just a little bit more used to the cursor. I don't know. But I do not see actually in this communication kind of difference. Oh, actually there's chat and builder. We should test that builder actually. We are still safe as iOS developers. Yes, pretty much. Thanks for recommendation. This cursor, first it was cool, but I guess I need to buy full version because it starts to be crazy, or maybe I use wrong way to SwiftUI. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of getting crazy sometimes, you know, that cursor, it's kind of... If you will just kind of throw prompt after prompt to the cursor, it will become messy after, I don't know. It's just starting to hallucinate and yeah, weird shit happens. Ah, cool. My screen again going down. It seems that it's necessary to cool it down before streaming. It's just, I don't know, not fun. Hey, the bulking, hello. The rate at which the AI is enabling one person to do things that will take more. Yeah. I kind of agree that AI obviously kind of helps to move faster. That's fact, you know. Can I get that screen back, please? Let me try. That's just silly, you know, but whatever. So yeah. Easy way to build a host product and landing page. Host product and landing page. I don't know, that's not a question to me. Yeah, see you, Vlastimir, hello, bye. It's cool, especially when you must do localized stuff. Yeah, agree. It helps with localizations. Okay, let's try this fix. Will it work? There is this one more kind of thing. Should I show each error? I don't know. It's kind of a little bit waste. We still have error here. Exactly. Basically I should say show all the errors. This one and this one. Add to chat. Let's copy errors. Yeah, it's kind of, I don't know. Cursor is better. Let's try builder. Yeah. How it comes that your stream does not seem to be in the certain category. I don't know how it looks for you. Isn't in what category it is actually? I don't know. Let me see. Where am I streaming currently? Let's edit stream info. Oh, interesting. I see no category here. Programming. So, that was something like software development. Yeah, here it is, software development. Yeah, I don't know why, to be honest. I changed it. Move should be now in programming category. Okay. Let's complain. Never seen that before. Yeah, I don't know. I started stream from the Restream service. Maybe that's why. It sounds like nice, but at this stage, I just want to get out from errors and see what we will see when we will compile it. And it's also almost time to wrap up with the stream. It's definitely will not be, it will be throwaway kind of code, but whatever. At least I have opinion about Trae, yeah. Have you coped up any time with ChatGPT or others hallucinating and wasting your time because you're exploring new area of your, not of your expertise? So, the thing with all those AI helpers is that you should still understand what they are doing, because if you will let AI generate code that you do not understand, so what will we do? What you will do when you will need to refactor it? That's no way. Basically, it's like, you know, I can compare, for example, if you will do not write your applications by yourself, but you will just use third-party libraries. It's fine. We are using plenty of third-party libraries in our projects and not always understand what exactly is going inside the third-party library. For example, I'm using RevenueCat. I could develop in-app purchases by myself, but I'm using RevenueCat to make it easier and so on. But there are plenty of other developers who are using this library. That library is tested by product owners and so on. And it's fine to use tools like that. But if you will use AI-generated code, that's basically like using some third-party library which is built by AI and tested by no one else and used by only you and no one else. It's scary shit, you know. You never know what will happen when it will explode. And if you don't understand what is going on in this code, how you will fix the problems when you will need, or how you will add new features on top. And if you are planning to ask AI to add new features on top, then I hope you see that will become even more and more messy. So never ever do that. You should be able to understand the code, what you have in your program. Oh, it's all again sharing some things. Didn't manage to push the button on the screen. So, how to determine when to stop? When you do not understand what's going on, that's it's already too late to stop. You have to stop before that. Can you share from your experience what is worth starting to add? When it's worth starting to add paid apps to the App Store? I'm just at the beginning of my journey and currently working on my second app just for fun. I will say, if you don't have kind of good app idea, if you don't have idea for the app which is unique, solving some unique problems and so on, then yeah, then do not need to make paid app. Basically, if you're just repeating something that is in the App Store just for learning purposes, then it doesn't make sense to kind of make paid application for this. But if you're already kind of working on second application, you're ready to build kind of monetized product. Okay, I find it useful only to boilerplate faster. Yes, otherwise, besides the fact that it provides stupid answers most of the time, as you have mentioned, it won't be able to properly add any features. Yes, it's kind of very tricky. It helps, you know, to move faster, to exactly as you say, to build some kind of boilerplate. You say, okay, I need 5 whatever onboarding screens, and with this and that in them, and basically you can get those quickly, and then you modify them and so on, you know. That's how I use it. I'm glad I bought 34 ultra-wide monitor recently. I can see your steps very clear. Okay, so let's see. Is it working? What we have here as a result? Okay, this screen is where it should be. Okay, I will choose health and fitness here. No, I am committing to 30-day streak. We should remove this thing that was for test purpose here. Okay, and that's our summary screen. And where is my char screen? I don't see it. It is just not here. Yeah, it is just not implemented at all. So yeah, basically we added all those kind of screens, but they are not implemented in the flow. I don't know, it's kind of waste. Okay, let's try one more prompt. What is this builder? Trae builder mode. Uploading design drafts, reference image can enhance front-end development efficiency. Front-end, okay. It's not about mobile apps, right? Okay, that's basically throwaway code. I think that's enough for today. It created successfully some code which doesn't. Okay, let's do one more try. Shareable summary view. Probably I should go back to the chat and keep current chat going. Let's just complain. Currently I do not see any changes in onboarding flow. Sure. Screen also is saying we have to go to sleep. I will just disconnect it. Whatever. I don't know where my chat will go. Okay, that screen, that will work. And how my stream looks, still fine. Yeah, good. Let me see the chat. Did I miss something? Yeah. AI. For example, one of my friends started to learn programming. I basically just said, you should to learn programming first, and then you can try to play around with AI, you know. Yeah, that's correct. Language models are just good to predict which words come next. Exactly, yeah. That's the thing. We should, and actually, let's kill the app. Let's kill the app, delete it to get back to the onboarding flow. Okay, I will just complain to that Trae, I don't know, Trae, how to pronounce it. Content onboarding flow, we should have option to share the summary. I'm just complaining now. Just to see what we will get as an answer. You want to integrate? Yes, that's basically what's the purpose of. Oh my gosh. So, first update onboarding view model. Why? Show summary char false. What are we doing here? First, let's update onboarding model view. And why? What are we doing here? Commitment level is basic here. Published selected goals. We need those, yeah. Show summary. Do we change? Okay, here it is. Show summary to the true. Okay, that kinda makes sense. Let's try. Okay, let's apply this change. Creating apps that solves problem, but they're so niche that I think I hold off on making them paid for now. You may be wrong, you know. So that's the fact that app is niche doesn't mean that that this app don't have value for their users. That's probably even better, you know, because quite often, file not found, amazing, onboarding view Swift. Then update the onboarding summary view to be shown as a sheet. We don't have onboarding view, come on, it's just disaster, you know. Some view, can I just go? Why are you using some pseudo code? I'm just bullying now, but really, it's what the fuck? We have all the code base available. Just so expectation levels are higher already. Try. Cursor is doing kind of dumb shit as well, but Cursor at least are able to read all existing code base and make mistakes across all the code base, not just providing some pseudocode. Yes, exactly. Here we have all those views and so on. Okay, let's try. Let's give it a try. Can you make it working? That's last try before deleting. Try. Last try before deleting try. Challenging for my English. Okay, let's run and see what happens. So yeah, while it's building, okay, build filed. That was fast. Okay, I'm just kind of throwing out that code. That's basically waste of time. Let's just kind of I will just kind of revert all the changes and call it a day. Can I? Why I can't? Oh. Stage changes in mini habits. Why I can't discard all of them? Okay, whatever. Doesn't matter. What is Trae? Trae is new AI, basically, that's that's basically VS Code from TikTok, let's say so. And yeah, so sometimes Cursor prefer its own codes and new changes. Yeah, Cursor is not kind of perfect as well, but honestly, this was kind of a little bit more disaster. And yeah, about those niche apps, the thing is that those niche apps could, your product could be very valuable for that niche users, because quite often it happens so that big companies usually like to solve big problems because there is big money. Indie developers are solving smaller problems, but not each and every problem has indie developer for it to solve this problem, you know. And maybe you are the only developer who is ready to go and build product for this specific small niche. So maybe that makes sense to monetize the application. Okay, so I see that it is late. It's midnight already here. So I think that we should wrap up the stream and go to sleep. That's what I will do. And yeah, it was interesting to give a try to this new AI tool, but it's the worst that I that I tried in the last few months. But that's kind of first take. It's currently available in US only. You need to have VPN to download it, but it's not worth trying yet. We'll see how that will go in a few months. Maybe that will be better. So I guess I should polish little up and then try. Yeah, definitely. 5 p.m. in sunny Colombia. Oh, it's past midnight already here in not so sunny Latvia. Okay, thank you everyone for coming on the stream. Bye. Thank you for everyone who watching in reply. It was a nice try, but yeah, nothing good happened tonight.